How to show currency code in Shopify product price. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to show currency code in your Shopify product price. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to your online store here. And then in the online store you can go to your theme. You can click edit theme here, and then you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, and as you can see in my featured products, there is the product and the price obviously, and there is no currency code, like USD in the price here. So I want to show it to the customer, so the customer will not confuse. Maybe they will confuse a little bit. In order to do that, you can go to theme setting in the left side here. As you can see, theme settings, you can click on it and you scroll down until you find price, this one. And as you can see in the price, there is currency code. So you can choose to show it in the product page and on the product cards. So this is the product card. So if you want to show it in the product cards, you can just activate it by click this one, and it will appears, in the product cards. And if you want to also appears in the product page, you can just activate it and it will appears in your product page. So if you click it, basically it will appear like this. So yeah, I think that's it, how to show the currency code. It's very simple. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.